Yes, I'm making homemade chicken soup. As you can see, what I did was I boiled the chicken until it fell off the bone. As you can see, it fell off the bone. Okay, I'm gonna boil it for a little bit. Add chicken broth, and then I let it boil for a bit. Now, we let the broth boil for a minute, about 30 minutes, and then you add the rest of the stuff. A little bit of noodles, a little bit of noodles, can of mixed vegetables, another can of mixed vegetables, then you add a can of corn, and then you let it boil for like 30 minutes, and then you add all the rest of the stuff. I'll be back. Yeah, I'm back again. I'm finishing up the soup. I got a can of potatoes, can carrots, 2 cans of corn. You can use any corn, to make the soup. The can of potatoes go in. The can of potatoes go in. And then the can of carrots. And one of the cans of corn. And then you stir it up. And that's some good looking chicken soup. Good Lord. I used to make this in the mess hall too. When I worked in the mess hall. Then you let it boil a little, about 10 minutes. Boil some of the water out. Boil some of the water out. Wait for it to boil.